we are going to make a version of Spanakopita. I have a pound of phyllo, and the two ingredients that I think are absolutely necessary for every dish: fresh pressed extra virgin olive oil and microgreens from Caring Corral. I'm going to start with 2 eggs, fresh pressed extra virgin olive oil, milk, pepper. A single sheet, slide it into the pan. Number 2. Sheet number 3 goes the other way. And sheet number 4. I'm going to take 6 sheets now and just crumble them up. That oil, egg, and milk mixture, about half. 6 sheets. These last 3 sheets are going to make this tight. Spanakopita, very easy to make with pea shoots from Caring Corral. Pick up yours today.